The story Jalebis is written by Ahmad Nadeem Kazmi. And the narrator of the story, the narrator means the who is telling the story, is a fifth standard school boy. He is an obedient and meritorious student from a well to do Muslim family. One day he went to school with 4 rupees in his pocket. He was to pay his school fees, but Ghulam Muhammad, the teacher who had to collect his fees, was absent. So this is a story about an obedient student, meritorious student who was intelligent, and this is the story about him. He went to school with 4 rupees and he had to pay the school fees, but his teacher who had to collect the fees was not present that day. All through the day, the coins simply sat in his pocket, but once he walked out of school, they began to jingle. He's talking about the coins that he had in his pocket to pay the fees, and they were quiet, and when he was walking out of school, they began to jingle, they began to speak. One coin actually spoke to him to eat the hot, syrupy, and fresh jalebis. He tried to convince the boy that money was meant to be spent, but the boy hesitated to spend his fees money. He knew that his class teacher was very strict. So, what did the coin? The coin was convincing the boy that money is made for spending. Money is to be spent, and it spoke to him about the hot, syrupy, and fresh jalebis that were taken out from the kadai. But the boy hesitated to spend. He didn't want, he hesitated. उसको हिचक थी पैसा खर्च करने के लिए, because he knew that his teacher was very strict and he'll ask for the fees. But the coins were not convinced. The boy grabbed all the 4 coins tight in his fist, and as he loosened his grip, the oldest coin asked him if he didn't want to eat jalebis. The coin tried to convince him that he could spend money on buying jalebis, as he was not to get his scholarship money of 4 rupees the next day. He could easily pay the fees. कहने लगे कि you spend the money and when you get the scholarship money, you'll pay the teacher. The boy's mouth watered, but he still dared not buy the jalebis. He was an obedient student. He didn't want to spend. मुंह में पानी आ रहा था, but he didn't want to spend. He was brilliant in studies. He came of a well-to-do family also. It wasn't right for him to eat jalebis in the middle of the bazaar. The coins did not give in. They persuaded the boy. उन्होंने उसको persuade किया. They were very keen on being spent that day. The boy returned home and went inside for lunch. He wanted to control his desire for jalebis, but finally he surrendered. He ran to the jalebi wala shop and bought jalebis worth a rupee. What did he do? He went to the shop and he bought 1 rupee jalebis. At that time, when the story was written, that time was you could get many worth a rupee. Nowadays, you don't get anything for a rupee. He saw his uncle returning from court. The boy ran into the house, into a lane to hide himself. He ate as many jalebis as he could. और कितनी जितनी भी खा सकता था उसने खाई. Soon the boys from the neighborhood surrounded him. And who surrounded him? The boys from the neighborhood means pados में से. He started distributing them among the children. What was them? Them is used for jalebis. He spent the remaining 3 rupees also on jalebis and distributed them among the children. He returned home. He felt it was difficult to digest such a lot. All night he suffered from a stomachache. When you eat too much, you also suffer stomachache. In the morning, he was all right and headed for school. School की ओर चल दिया. He faced another problem. The scholarship which he was supposed to get the next day had been postponed to the following month. Scholarship जो मिलनी थी उसको वो अगले महीने के लिए postpone हो गई थी. His head began to spin और वो परेशान हो गया. With this shocking news, he felt confused and defeated. He was afraid of his class teacher and tried to escape from school without being noticed by anybody, and he was afraid. He had spent the fees money on the jalebis, and now his scholarship had been postponed for the next month, so he was very worried, and he nobody noticed him, and he came out of the school and ran outside. He was sad, and he went to the railway station only to spend time till the evening, and he went to the till the school time he stayed there. He was sad and scared, डरा हुआ था. Had he known that about the delay in the payment of scholarship money, he would have never spent the amount of jalebis. कहता है अगर उसको पता होता कि फीस इतनी लेट मिलेगा स्कॉलरशिप, तो उसने कभी भी नहीं खर्च किए होते, because he was a good student. Spending fees amount on jalebis was now becoming heavy on him. He thought about of the teacher's cane. Cane means danda jo he used to hit. And he began to pray. He recited the entire namaz to please God. Because he was a Muslim, he recited the namaz. Sitting under the tree, the boy prayed to God to send 4 rupees for him by his फरिश्ता. और पेड़ के नीचे बैठ के वो क्या प्रे कर रहा था गॉड के से कि उसको पैसे भेज दें फरिश्ते के, कोई फरिश्ता आए और उसको पैसे दे जाए. He admitted his mistake and promised that he would not repeat the same again in future. But he received nothing from God. और उसने एडमिट किया, अपनी मिस्टेक मान ली, और उसने कहा आगे से कभी भी ऐसे नहीं करेगा. बट what was there? He couldn't. Didn't receive anything from the God. One day he was caught. The report of his absence from school had reached home. We can imagine what would have happened afterwards. But the boy, up to his class 8, was not able to understand as to why God had not given him a single paisa. The boy could not understand what loss he suffered from with the help of only 4 rupees to an innocent and devoted child like him. When the boy got his maturity, he finally understood that God helps those who help themselves. Who help? God doesn't help anyone. If you don't study, God is not going to pass you. You have to study. So, God doesn't give anything if one asks for it. One should be careful about one's behavior. So, you can't get anything without your hard work and labor.